So, can you list one or two killer features of this project that makes it ahead of its competitors? And what is the competitive advantage your project has that you feel most confident about?
Well, first, I think I don't know that there's another application out there that's going to allow you to publish quickly and then manage an environment in a completely decentralized fashion as quickly and easily with the domain names and with the depth which the data and the keying goes. And certainly, I don't know of anything else where each page is actually a key and the new ways that you can interact with it to create these kind of new spaces. And I think we've talked a lot about them, like the public-private linking, the public-private spaces, and the social features of this. And even beyond all that, what we've talked about, there's even a lot more in terms of how we're going to allow people to collaborate. What's your favorite, Josh, about this?
Well, I mean, it all depends on how you're looking at it, right? So, if you're looking at it as a note-taking app, which is kind of the initial focus, it doesn't really have any killer features, and that's the point. It's all what's underneath and hidden. But then that crypto base really allows for those killer features to come out, right? So, versioning is really cool. Being able to have it in sync across devices using your same keys. The fact that you can store tokens on each note makes it really powerful too. So more than just storing funds, right? And NFTs, those are some cool things you can do, but even it even enables more uses for some of the smart contract things, like just some of the brainstorming we've done before. You can have some sort of different types of sentiment tokens, right? So if you want to do a like button on this type of thing, instead of having a centralized system that keeps track of that, you would have tokens, I mean, an ERC20 token that is a like that you send to a note, and that's how you like it. And then there's all sorts of different things that can be built around that, right? Monetizing based on something other than advertising, right? Which is one of the major downfalls of the current
web 1 and 2.
There's like everything's based on advertising.
Yeah.
So yeah, being able to see that, and one I'm really excited about is the whole collaboration piece. I think is, to me, the most exciting. So when I go to research a topic, I just create a note on it, start to put my information in, and be able to see what other people who I trust are saying about it, right? So I can build out that network of information that I know is useful.
Yeah, for research, I think it's gonna be amazing, and just for the other big problem I think with the Web 2 is just you don't always know what's real and what's trusted, and so the layer of collaboration that you can get with trusted people, maybe anonymous people or pseudonymous people, but still people that you trust. And now, as we're seeing with so many NFTs and crypto punks and different avatars, like we're moving to an area where people really aren't known by who they really are, but really by what they do and the environment that they've kind of created online. And I think this is a really great way to build that kind of environment, because you may not know who the owner of Sergio.crtx is, but it may not be you, Sergio. Maybe you'll sell it.
I was going to say that it might be known.
It might be known. We'll say Alice at .crtx. You might not know who Alice is, or if she's even a she or anything, but once she builds that kind of Alice empire, you'll know everything that's published and created underneath that, and you'll be able to see what people think and link about it in a pretty cool way.
You know people by what they do, not just some other, like, who they are in real life. It's a meritocracy.